children, good morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay children, so yesterday we completed Indian number system. Now next number system is international system of numbers or international number system. So international system of numbers. Okay, so international system of numbers means this number system we are using all over the world. Okay, more countries we are using this number system in more countries, that way it is called international number system. In India we are using numbers like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So that's why the system is called Indian number system. Okay, so in Indian number system the places are like, how are the places? See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and also 10,000s. See here, in Indian number system, after 10,000s what we get? After 10,000s we get lakhs, but in international number system we get 10,000s after 100,000s. Okay, now after 100,000s we get millions. Next 10 millions. Next 100 millions. And after 100 millions we get billions. And 10 billions and 100 billions. This is the international system. Okay, so this international system is divided into 4 periods. Up to billions it is divided into 4 periods, and that periods are first these 3 places are in ones period. Okay, first these 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, are in ones period, and after thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s are in thousands period, and next millions, 10 millions, 100 millions are in millions period, and billions, 10 millions, 100 millions are in billions period. Okay, these are the periods up to billions. Okay, what are the periods here? Ones period, thousands period, millions period, and billions period. What are the places in ones period? Ones place, tens place, 100 place. What are the places in thousands period? Thousands, 10,000s and 100,000. What are the places in millions period? Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. What are the places in billions period? Billions, 10 billions and 100 billions. Okay, here if you see here, in each and every period we have 3 places. Okay, మనకి ఏ పీరియడ్ లో చూసుకున్నా మనకి 3 ప్లేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. అందుకే మనం ఇంటర్నేషనల్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో 3 ప్లేసెస్ ని డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటూ కామాస్ పెట్టుకుంటాం. అదే ఇండియన్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో అయితే పీరియడ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? వన్స్ పీరియడ్ లో అయితేనేమో మంత్స్, టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ థౌసండ్స్ పీరియడ్ లో థౌసండ్స్, 10,000s ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ లాక్స్ పీరియడ్ లో లాక్స్, 10 lakhs ఉంటాయి. అందుకే మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇండియన్ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్ లో 3 places, 2 places ki commas పెట్టుకుంటాం. But in this number system, every 3 places we have to place a comma. Okay, so this is about international number system. And how can you write numbers in this place value chart by using international system? This is the place value chart. Okay, this is the place value chart. How can you write a number in this place value chart? Is if you take any number like this, okay, first of all, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. So up to 100,000s are given. So what is the number which is in ones place? 6. So write 6 here. And what is the number which is in tens place? 9. What is the number which is in hundreds place? 5. What is the number which is in thousands place? 4. What is the number which is in 10,000s place? 8. What is the number which is in 100,000s place? 2. So like this we have to fill the place value chart. Okay, so some more problems we can do now. 2 more problems. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So up to 100 millions is given. What is this number? 123,456,789. Okay. So ones place contains 9, and tens place 8, and seven place 7. Sorry, hundreds place 7, and thousands place 6, 10,000s place 5, 100,000s place 4, and millions place 3, 10 millions place 2, and 100 millions place 1. So totally 123,456,789. Okay, like this we have to fill this place value chart. Okay, children. Okay, children. See here I gave four numbers. Okay, fill this place value chart by these 4 numbers. Okay, children. See you in next class. Thank you. Bye.